In a survival situation, reliable communication can mean the difference between life and death. But what happens when modern tech fails and your phone is out of range or dead? Today, we're covering 3 alternative communication tools that don't rely on cell towers or the internet. Whether you're lost in the wilderness or facing a disaster, knowing these options will help keep you connected and safe when it matters most. Two-way radios are a staple for outdoor communication. They're reliable in remote areas where cell signals don't reach. Choose a model with a wide range, multiple channels, and weather resistance. Radios with features like NOAA weather alerts are especially useful. Remember, the right batteries are essential. Consider carrying spare batteries or even solar chargers to ensure you're always powered. Satellite communicators take outdoor communication to the next level. These devices work through satellite signals, allowing you to send texts and SOS messages from anywhere in the world. They're perfect for longer treks or expeditions where being out of cell range is expected. Although some require a subscription service, the ability to connect in true emergencies is worth the investment. Many modern devices also sync with smartphones, turning your phone into a satellite communicator. Don't overlook simple, low-tech options like signal mirrors and whistles. These tools are lightweight, require no power, and are incredibly effective in the right situations. A signal mirror can be seen from miles away, while a whistle sound can carry far longer than your voice. Keep these in your gear for quick, easy communication in dense forests or open spaces. To recap, two-way radios provide short-range communication in remote areas. Satellite communicators give you global coverage with life-saving SOS features, and signal mirrors and whistles are essential. No power tools for signaling your location. These 3 options ensure that, no matter the situation, you have a reliable way to call for help or communicate with others. Take the time today to equip your survival kit with one or more of these tools. Each one offers unique benefits depending on your situation. Learn how to use them, stay prepared, and ensure you can stay connected even in the most challenging environments.